Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert radio button inputs in the designer. Just like any other module, drag and drop a radio button from the left-hand menu to where you would like to place it. Once in place, we can click the module to change its configurations. When the module is selected, you will see dashed lines around it, and this will bring the contextual menu on the right. Here, we must first select the named range this input will be associated with from the named range selection. This dropdown will give us the list of all available named ranges with the cell references in parentheses. Next, we need to select the named range containing the list of button options. A similar type of dropdown selection will let you choose from available named ranges. Name is the text label that will be displayed next to the input. The system will automatically populate the named range into this field once you make that selection. We can simply change this by clicking and editing. We can choose from 5 available styles to customize this radio button. Selecting from one of these types will color the user selection based on the active style sheet. The placement of the radio button options within the container can be changed by selecting an option from the alignment dropdown. Horizontal alignment will place the options next to each other in a few lines, whereas the vertical alignment will sort everything in one column. Horizontal and vertical label alignments can be adjusted from the corresponding dropdowns. The label text can be further customized using the label size selector. We can assign a default value to this input by selecting from the available options under the default value dropdown. The tooltip text will be displayed when you mouse over this input. This can be used to hint your end users as to what this input refers to. The friend name tag can be used to print the input name. When Trigger Calculations option is enabled, this input will trigger calculations in the entire worksheet. You can leave this enabled in most cases. If you are using a rather complicated spreadsheet and have a lot of calculations, it might be a good idea to disable this option and add a calculate button instead. This input can be disabled or made hidden by the value of a cell. To do this, we need to select by value of from the enabled or visible menus. Then point it to a Boolean named range from our spreadsheet. If the cell output is true, the field will be enabled or made visible. If it's false, then it will be disabled or made hidden. Remember to press the Submit button to save your changes to this input.